Alright, so I decided to bite on one of these refurbished Hoover vacuums, which for some reason has been showing up on the little deal circuit lately. It is the Windtunnel 3 high performance bagless with pet tools, and it does, now on the reviews they say that you're not guaranteed to get the tools. Multi-floor brush roll. I don't see an actual model number. Let's see, here it is. It wasn't packaged that great. It's got a hole in the box there. I think there was another one. No, that was it. The accessories were bouncing around. However, it does have the pet tool and that thing. I guess they replaced the brush with the rubber feet. Alright, so I put it together. We'll see what I used a coupon code, which I believe made the grand total free delivery, no tax. I believe it was about $37. So we'll see what happens. When you're on carpet, let's see, then that thing has to be left out. Is that right? Hold on, let's check. Yeah, okay, it's spinning. Alright. So the vacuum does work good. It's got a lot of suction. Okay, first of all, to me, that's already too confusing. That's that nonsense right there. Sorry, call me stupid. It's just like, I don't think you need to be having to worry about, well, where should the pedal be? Hey, buddy, he ain't worried about it. Alright, so let's go. Alright, on the install, there was basically only one screw, which is right there. So you put the handle on, put all the accessories on, wherever the hell you can figure out where to put them. Such as that. Alright, and this is kind of cool. So you got this thing, but it also extends. Not only does it extend, but it's got this other thing at the end, so you can get into little corners, I guess. I guess that's the deal. Say, if you need to get in a little tight areas, and then that extends. Which is cool. So anyway, that's it. I don't know if I don't know what the retail price is. Whatever it is, it's not worth it. I hate to say it, but because it's probably like $150, $170. But for under $40, on I believe it's on Hoover's eBay store. That's it. The problem with this review is I actually have to clean while I'm doing the review. Boy, isn't that fun. All that cleaning for 4 hits on YouTube. Alright, I need 600 more subscribers. Help me out. Alright, I really don't care, but February 20th is... Hell, it may be tomorrow. That's when my monetization gets pulled. That's when I'm going to start farting and cussing on my YouTube channel. But for now, it's kids safe. And it's pet safe. This is John Masters signing off. We had a get together on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and I vacuumed up real good with my old vacuum on Sunday. So I just did a pass with the new vacuum, and let's see. Boy, that's pretty good. I mean, that thing sucks good. So it's not really possible that I created that much dirt in 2 days. So I mean, that's a lot. So it definitely has done a good job. All right, so I'll give that vacuum at the price I paid a big super duper thumbs up, and that's going to be the end.